Welcome back to Mark's Family Cooking. Today I'm cooking up a veggie salad using my favourite vegetable at the moment, cauliflower. Versatile, really tasty. Going to be cooking it with a Simply Cook Chipotle grilled cauliflower salad kit. Let's get going. Let's start with the cauli. Let's just cut it into small florets. Bite-sized pieces. If you've never used a Simply Cook cooking kit before, basically you get your recipes and one of these little boxes with 3 flavour pots inside. So it's now time to use one of those flavour pots to create a rub for my cauliflower. So all I'm going to do is use an ancho steak rub, pop it into a little ramekin, little bit of olive oil, just to create a paste. Going to mix that round and then coat it in my cauliflower and stick it in the oven. Now time to add it to my cauliflower. Now time to put it in an oven, 180 degrees on a fan for 20 to 25 minutes. Cauliflower's in, time to get ready. With the peppers, cut them into small wedges and then toss in a bit of oil and one of the other spice mixes. Let's go. I would juggle but I can't. Way. Coat the pepper in a tablespoon of oil and then use the lemon and herb flavour pot. Mix it in. Onto a prepared baking sheet. Roast in the oven for 20 minutes. 100 ml of sour cream. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water and then mix it with another pot, third and final one, which is chipotle paste. Give it a good mix. And set that aside. While my veg is cooking, I've got my cauliflower, I've got my peppers in the oven. Got my chipotle dressing made. It's now time to prep the rest of the salad. Lettuce, avocado, just some baby plum tomatoes, and some Greek style salad cheese or feta, call it what you want. Get the rest of it prepared while my veg cooks. Lightly dress my salad in some olive oil. This is Crete olive oil, absolutely delicious. Cauliflower and peppers have been in now for 20 to 25 minutes. Now I'm going to add it to my salad, just to cut the pieces. This is enough for 2 people, so it may seem a lot having half a cauliflower, but it's super healthy, it's low in calories, and as I said earlier, cauliflower for me at the moment is my favourite veg. It's so versatile, it just seems to absorb flavour and you get a real nice meaty texture. So, good, cut the pieces, pepper on top, I'm going to drizzle over some of the chipotle dressing. Colours of this, beautiful. Top it with a few pumpkin seeds. Crumble on top some feta or Greek salad cheese. And that is a chipotle and cauliflower salad.